me, Jessica from Domicile 37. I am participating in the New Year, New Room challenge hosted by Stephanie from Casa Watkins Living, and I am going to be making over my primary closet. Guys, this space is oddly shaped. There are some holes up in the wall. There's different texture, different, I guess, paint. I'm not sure. It is just ugly. And we just need to make it more functional. We have, I don't know if you guys can see this bar, and it's on an angle. You guys see that? It is on an angle. You can't really hang things, and I'm going to tell you guys a huge secret. When we came and looked at the house, they had stuff hanging on there. I mean, it's not really functional, but we need to raise that. We need to utilize these 9-foot ceilings. We need to add more shelving so that we have somewhere to store our shoes, our bags, and all of that goodness. We are going to be upsizing, downsizing, doing the works, and guys, I just need to make this place more functional because I cannot take it anymore. I cannot take it anymore. I cannot take it anymore. I hate being in this space because there's so many boxes and everything needs to be put up. So yeah, we need to change out these fluorescent lights. I need to make this place look pretty. We're gonna give it a paint job. And as of right now, so far that's my only plan. Give it a paint job and make it more functional and add more shelves, and gosh, yeah. So I hope you guys could join me on my journey. Yeah, follow along every week. I'm hoping to have a video or something showing progress. You guys know how I am, you know. Yeah, documenting my journey. So and before I go, let me remind you guys, if you guys need any other closet inspiration, please head on over to my blog, domicile37.com, and search closets, because I have, I want to say, a pretty good handful of closet inspos for you guys. Past closets that I have redone. Obviously in a maximalist, like style, but I think that they're pretty good. You guys would definitely get some inspiration from them. I'm hoping you guys do. I'm hoping. But yeah, check that out. I would really appreciate it, and come back next week and see where I'm at, because I don't even know where I'm gonna be at. I don't know. It's a new year. I just started. I'm still working on my plans. I don't know where I'm gonna be at next year. Or next week. You see? I'm all sorts of confused, just like this closet. So I better get going. Bye.